So today we're going to make this vegetable stew, Mediterranean style. You can add any vegetables you like, really. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here. So I've got equal amounts of the vegetables here. So I've got zucchinis, eggplants, mushrooms, carrots, bell peppers. That's what I'm using today. Celery works in this, and other vegetables, of course, you can add what you want. I've got a tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. Over here, I've got 1 teaspoon each of a sweet paprika, oregano, and thyme. Now, these containers are 2 cups, but they're overflowing, so I'm calling them 3 cups, maybe 2.5, 3 cups. And then here, this is a 3 cup size container. I've got some tomato sauce there, a sauce that I've already made. If you don't have that, you can use just a regular can of tomatoes, which is about the same in volume. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're gonna need a pot, pan, or something like that, obviously. In there, I've got some olive oil, 3 tablespoons. We're gonna drop in 1 cup of onion, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then I'm gonna add my 2 hardest vegetables. So in my case, it's the eggplants that need to get a head start, along with the carrots. If you had celery or something hard like that, get that in now. While I'm here, we're gonna go salt and pepper. We're on an above medium heat, and we're gonna go for about 4 minutes. Next up, I'm going to put in the cooked chickpeas. Now, I'm using mine from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice rinse in cold water. We're going to go with our bell pepper. I'm just using green. Get some other colours in there if you like. And again, very simply, we're going to go for another 4 minutes on this above medium heat, stirring often. Fabulous stuff. Okay. My last 2 vegetables, mushrooms, zucchini, kusa, or courgette, whatever you call them. Then we're going to add in our spices. I've got a teaspoon of thyme, oregano, and sweet paprika. 4 more minutes, again, stirring often. Really beautiful. Okay, time now to add our tomato. And like I say, I've got a tomato sauce that I made already. So this has got onions in it, garlic, fresh basil, and some herbs. If you don't have a kind of pasta sauce like this ready, why would you? Use a can of tomatoes. I've also got some vegetable stock here, which I'm going to add. Let me measure that out actually, so you know what we've got. That's 2.5 cups there of vegetable stock. You could be adding just water if you wanted. You could be adding some wine maybe, if you want to go in that direction. Right, we're going to get the heat just below medium now. We're going to let this go for about another 8 minutes or so. Okay, that's beautiful. Off goes the heat. All the vegetables are nice and tender now. Check it for salt and pepper. If you want, you could run some chopped parsley through that, but that's a beauty. So that's fantastic with some rice maybe, with some potatoes, or just with some bread, really good. That's also good inside a jacket potato, I find sometimes. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.